to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. I am currently at the teen something. Arman forced me to come here. Yeah, expo. So yeah, let's just go. Arman, please follow me.
Okay, because Abid couldn't do it, voice of Abid will. You might be wondering, what is Teen Council? Teen Council is home to Qatar's youth, a platform that empowers teenagers across the country, elevates their voices and gives them an opportunity to meet, exchange ideas and grow as individuals. So yeah, it's pretty fun.
My name is Jordan Rochelson, and I, along with my colleague Najma Ahmed, are the project managers for this program, and we are tremendously grateful to all of you. We just want to say thank you. Thank you. Let's do what we can, and let's keep Qatar.
Hey man, not that music lab.
Anything you want to speak to him regarding something which I can just tell you?
If I speak to him, I'll have to give it to him as well. There's a high chance that the DJ is going to be playing Jalebi Baby X Jalebi Bhai today. We just spoke to the DJ. I mean, we spoke to one of the guys the volunteers who's going to talk to the DJ. So let's just hope that they play Jalebi Baby today. So I just spoke with one of the organizers. He was the main MC and the anchor for the day. He just allowed us to play one of my songs, which is going to be Jalebi Baby, sponsored by Annette and Sheika. Show them as well. So right now we're just posting the song so we can play without any problems. My God, it's taking time. Okay, now it's gonna go up.
I'm going to post it on my story.
Oh yeah, go for it. Oh my God. Okay, guys. So if you Arman, show them around. This is how many people. Oh my God, this number of people that are gonna see hear DJ Poppin's music for the first time in Qatar. Everyone around here, almost everyone around here know me. And I am so hyped right now, oh my God. It's uploading, 25 seconds remaining. This is Insane versus Hyde by DJ Poppin. First time the DJ Poppin's being played in front of thousands, over 2,000 teens and about 100 parents. This is Abid moving, bringing India into the world, one step at a time.
ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਲਾਰੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੱਤ ਤੇ ਤੋਂ ਜਲ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਣੀ ਬਿਨ ਪੀਤਿਆਂ ਟੱਲੀ ਕਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੁਣ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਨੇ ਹਾਰ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਲ ਦੁਕਾਲੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੁਣਨਾ ਕਰ ਇਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਲਾਰੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ
Let's go!
Representing India.
तेरी हो गई यार सजना वे सजना
Walk around Arman.
ओ सजना मेरे यार सजना वे सजना
Yours?
Yeah. Like it?
Nice, congrats.
Thank you.
It'd be okay to hear it like this?
Yeah, really good. Guys, as I said 3 times before, this is DJ Poppin bringing India to the world.
मुझसे बोल गाले तेरी हो गई यार सजना वे सजना ओ सजना मेरे यार सजना
Hi, what do you guys think about the music playing right now? Damn good. It's damn good? Yeah. Follow Abid Poppin on Instagram. Thank you.
It's really good. Yeah, it's very entertaining.
very entertaining
DJs. What? DJ Poppin, follow him on Instagram. Alright, pretty good. Think about the music.
It's awesome.
Follow DJ Foreman on Instagram.
It's power. It's super. It's mass.
Yes!
It's fire.
Yes!
Fire.
For the music that's playing right now.
It's good.
You know
It's great. It's excellent.
You know the DJ?
Sorry?
DJ Foreman on Instagram.
Sure.
Follow me. I just got it. I talked to the main DJs over here, and we got an opportunity to play our music. So this is their professional mixer, Arman Shotan mixer. One day we're gonna be here playing music with all of you.
निकलती है जो बोली जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है
Cool. Everyone, if you like music, don't forget to follow us, DJ Foreman on Instagram.
And his videographer on one.
लोग कहते बेटा सब कुछ
गाना तो आने दो यार.
ऐसे जीता चला जा बेखौफ निगाह में जहाँ पे पहले ताज बना और तेरे आगे कुछ नहीं सब खाक बराबर मैं खो जाऊंगा मुझसे और तेरे आगे कुछ भी नहीं सब खाक बराबर मैं खो जाऊंगा मिलके मुझसे बात करा ये तू मेरी आँखों में है पूरी जचती और तेरे आगे मेरी कहीं एक छलकी ये दुनिया वाले निकाले ना कमी मैं अपने ऊपर ले लूं तेरी सारी गली और मिट जाएंगे फासले बन जाएंगे नए काफिले
Open up your phone, go to Instagram, follow at DJ Foreman, Fobin. I'm hoping for a big day in the summer. Okay, so guys, we are currently at the Fob Lab, which is Villaggio, where we were just having a celebratory meal for the exciting night. So, just to promote myself, I'm going to be shouting something very nice. Follow DJ Foreman on Instagram! Okay guys, so that was the Teen Expo 2022. This was their first event, and at the same time, this was also the first Fob Friday. So we are in front of 321 Museum and the Khalifa International Stadium. I'm with my friends and the cameraman Arman Azad. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first Fob vlog.
Yeah, it was good.
It was really
It was really nice. Very nice.
And if you guys enjoyed my music, which I hope you did, please drop a like, follow, share, and yeah, that's all. Thank you.